In this presentation, we will show you some simple troubleshooting steps that can usually fix the most common tablet issues encountered in the field. The following issues are the most commonly raised to administrators from those in the field. Questions are missing on my tablet. I'm seeing too many questions on my tablet. I can't see all of my questions. I can't see any questions in a particular store. I'm seeing old questions. I'm seeing stores that are not assigned to me, and I cannot log on to my SMR7. Most of these issues can be fixed by performing the checks shown within this presentation. Some issues might need you to try more than one of the correction processes, as some problems will require investigation from different angles to diagnose and rectify. These are the 7 checks that reps should complete before escalating their issue. Making sure that the internet connection is working, the correct order of sync and update, checking of the sync log, making sure that your tablet has the correct date and time, making sure that you're working in the correct project, force closure of the application, and checking of your credentials. You must have an internet connection for all sync and updates to take place. Once an update has been completed on your tablet, you may resume work with or without an internet connection. To check your internet connection, look in the top left-hand corner to see if you have a 3G or 4G connection with good signal strength of at least 3 bars. Launch Safari and try to search for any topic. If results appear, then you are connected to the internet. If you do not have a 3G or 4G connection or weak signal strength, it could mean that the area you are in has poor network coverage. Find an open outdoor space and try again. To ensure you have the most up-to-date configuration file on your device, while in SMR7, hold the tablet in landscape mode and tap Actions in the top left-hand corner. Then tap the sync options. From the list of options, select Sync with Server to make sure that all of the current data is sent from your tablet to the server. Be patient while the sync takes place. Select OK when prompted once the sync is completed. You must do this before the update configuration request to ensure that all pending data is sent. If you don't, any update configuration file won't work and the current outdated configuration will remain on your device. Once the sync with server is complete, tap Actions in the top left-hand corner again, then tap the sync options. From the list, select Update Configuration to download your program's most up-to-date configuration from the server to your tablet. Be patient and select OK when prompted at the sync's completion. Be aware that some configuration requests can take a little while to complete. Importantly, you should not use any other functions within SMR7 or any other programs on your tablet during any sync or update process. You need to wait for each request to successfully complete before performing the next. Trying to perform more than one sync without waiting for a successful completion message will result in errors. Again, be patient and do one thing at a time. So how do you know your requests were successful? Once either the sync with server or update configuration request is complete, tap Actions in the top left-hand corner. Tap the Sync Options button and then tap Log in the top right-hand corner. Scroll right to the bottom of the sync log to see the latest information. Check to ensure that the sync is completed. You'll also see at the top of the screen whether or not the latest sync was okay. You can also view the number and name of the stores that were synced. The images on screen show a successful sync with server request. Similar details are listed on the sync log for a successful update configuration, although you will obviously not receive any indication of stores uploaded, as an update configuration is a request to receive data from the server, not to send data. A failed or pending completion sync request is also shown in the log. If you're asked to send the sync logs, you can do this by selecting the email option in the top right-hand corner. Please note that this function uses the existing email account already set up on your device. Therefore, if you have not already done so, you will need to set up your email account through the tablet's operating interface before this option will work. The SMR7 application cannot email information directly. Many items on your tablet are dependent on a particular date range. This date validation is carried out by the SMR7 application using the tablet's current date and time. Because of this, it is vital that your tablet has the correct date and time. Here's how to check. From the desktop, select Settings. In the left-hand list, select General. Scroll through the list of options until you find Date and Time. Select this option. Ensure the toggles for 24-hour time and Set Automatically are both turned on. Here's how to make sure you're working in the correct project. Open SMR7, hold the tablet in landscape orientation, and tap Actions in the top left-hand corner. Tap the project list, then tap the project that you need to work with. If after following all of the previous steps you still can't see your questions or stores, you may need to force close the application and then reopen. Here's how to do it. First, double tap the Home button on the face of the device. A list of all open applications is shown on your tablet. Scroll left or right to locate SMR7. Then tap on the image of the application and swipe up before releasing to close. If you see this network error message, it is most likely due to incorrectly entered user credentials. To re-enter your credentials, while in SMR7, hold the tablet in landscape mode and tap Actions in the top left-hand corner. Then, tap Preferences, enter your profile, password, server and secret, which you'll need to request from the operations team. For efficient communication between the tablet and server, make sure the toggles for On-Demand, Message Alert and Order EAN are all turned on. If you have checked all of these things and you're still having problems, then you should escalate the issue to your team leader. Help us to help you. Please make sure that you have checked everything within this presentation before requesting assistance. Thank you for your time.